Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into the latest update for the Messenger app on PC, focusing on how to send multiple photos in a group chat. Whether you're sharing vacation pics, adorable pet photos, or important documents with your friends and family, this new feature makes sharing easier than ever. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app. Locate the Messenger icon on your desktop or taskbar, and double-click to launch the app. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to access your messages. Step 2. Find the group you want to send the photos to. Once you're in the app, scroll through your conversations or use the search bar to locate the group chat where you'd like to share multiple images. Step 3. Open the group. Click on the group chat to enter it. Here, you'll see all the previous messages and interactions with group members. Step 4. Click on the photo icon or attach a file. On the bottom of the chat window, look for the photo icon or an Attach a File option. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. Find the photos you want and select them all. A File Explorer window will pop up, letting you navigate to the folder containing your images. Hold down the Control key, Ctrl, on your keyboard to select multiple photos at once. This will allow you to choose all the pictures you want to send simultaneously. Step 6. Click on Open, then Send. After you've made your selections, hit the Open button. The selected photos will then show up in your chat. Finally, click on the Send button to share your treasured moments with your group members. And that's it. You've just learned how to share multiple photos in Messenger on your PC with these easy steps. Enjoy sharing your memories, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. For more content like this, and to keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.